All right, you guys, so to lower this thing down into place, obviously if you're going to set this little structure station up somewhere where you can just reach down with your hand, you can just lower it down with a piece of 1.5 PVC that's sticking out the top of it. If you're trying to drop it down a deeper structure, what I did is I just drilled a hole towards the top all the way through. So I'm going to use basically just what I had on hand, which is a piece of rope. It's actually a stringer is what I have right here. So all you need to do when you get ready to go out and set it, if you're doing it from a boat, is basically just run this through both holes. I might have to drill this side out a little bigger for that to go through. All right, yeah. So let's modify that hole a little bit. All right. There's a couple different ways people do this, and you can do this, but in this scenario, I'm just going to run this through. I probably have to go bigger all the way on both of them. It's wider anyway. There we go. All right, so again, run that through there, and then when you get ready to set it, if you use something like this, like what I'm going to do, you'll have at least, by grabbing both ends of the rope, probably 4 foot or 3 foot above the actual bucket, where you can set it in some deeper structure. And then once you got it where you want it at, just go ahead and let out the one side and just pull it right on out, and that's it. And then she's set in place. I would suggest at least filling your bucket halfway full of concrete. That's going to give you probably close to 40 pounds or 50 pounds. That way it's going to take a lot to bump that or move that anywhere. Once it's set down in there, it's pretty much going to stay there and not go anywhere. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for some more.